girl group ito.
Alright. Ito, si
XO,
XO.
XO.
Oh! Oh, Bisaya po
girls.
ni guys.
Ay,
You have to
gabi
move
ha.
kasi.
Gabi, hello.
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 What's up?
What's up? Hello.
What's up? Hello!
What's up, must come down.
Mga Bisaya gyutan.
What's up, Mas Kamdan? Ako.
Yes.
Grabe, 4 beautiful and amazing and talented women right here
Thank you.
on this red carpet. Right off the bat, each of you, 4 of you, who are you wearing and what's the inspiration?
So the inspiration is self-love. Because we styled ourselves.
Yeah.
I can speak for the 3 of us.
Okay.
We came up with our own design. We styled ourselves. We did our own makeup and our own hair, actually. And then Mel.
And yung akin naman, designer ko is si Vincent Yar. It's designer from Bulacan.
And ako naman po, nahanap ko lang sa FB Marketplace.
At saka online shop.
Yes, Mark C. Hudson.
Yes,
Thank
girl.
you so much.
Online
As a
shop.
DIY queens po kaming apat.
Loud and proud.
Proud and proud, diba?
Yeah.
Yes, we are our own glam team.
Yes.
look, day.
Ay,
Huy!
actually, ako lang din naghanap ng peg, tapos pinatahi ko na lang
Yes.
din. So ako na ganito, gusto ko ganyan.
Ate
Shout out kay
Joyce.
Ate
Ate
Joyce.
Joyce, yes, lagi.
Pwede yun.
Ate Joyce, shout out to Kuya Jello also for helping
Kami
me.
nagpatahi kami.
Yes.
Yan, diba?
Ano lang na, Jai?
Diskarte ay lang, Jod.
Yes.
Can I just say right now, all 4 of you you complement each other right
Oh,
now.
thank you so much. It's so nice of you to say. Wah!
No.
Kasi ano black, white talaga ano walang nale-left out kasi lahat kayo, you have accent on your own.
Thank you
So
so
you look absolutely amazing. And we won't keep you anymore
Oh, yeah.
kasi I'm sure you wanna have drinks upstairs and enjoy the night, okay?
Thank you so much. Salamat.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, Caitlin. Thank you.
Yung mga gwapa, grabe.